Well, I guess it's time to start investing in marijuana. Today, Friday, December the 4th, 2020, the U.S. House passed a historical bill that would end the federal prohibition of marijuana and expunge many cannabis related convictions. It's the first time the House has considered, let alone passed, such a bill. So let's see what they're talking about.
We are still waiting to hear exact timing, but at last check, it was planned to have a vote at some point this week, so in the next couple of days. This bill, called the MORE Act, would end the federal prohibition of marijuana, and it would expunge some cannabis-related convictions. Ending that federal prohibition would leave it up to states to set their own marijuana policies, and it would end that conflict that we currently see between state and federal law. The bill would also put a 5% tax on marijuana and marijuana products to fund new programs like job reentry and education, substance abuse treatment for people who have been, quote, adversely affected by the war on drugs. If signed into law, the MORE Act would open up business opportunities for marijuana-related businesses, including funding from the Small Business Administration. It would also require BLS to collect demographic data about cannabis business owners and employees to make sure that people of color and economically disadvantaged people are involved in the industry.